Hello everyone, I Pragya Srivastav welcome you all on the behalf of Cyclone of Ideas team. Self-reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat. Not just our Honorable Prime Minister's vision, but a national need today. India, a diverse nation with the essence of versatility. The Indian version of self-reliance paves a path which lies on the ideals of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and Satyamev Jayate and leads towards the idea of आपदा को अवसर में बदलने की हमारी दृष्टि. This pandemic and lockdown period brought our social and economic life to standstill. The economic impact of 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. So, was this the only effect of pandemic on India? The answer is no. The pandemic gave us the opportunity to be among the highest producers of PPE kit and N95 masks, which was produced less and imported more before coronavirus breakdown. And that's how we are still growing. Our vision and idea of self-reliant India stands firmly on 5 major pillars, which are economy, infrastructure, system, demography, and demand. Although India had many movements in past from independence itself, marking the great role of our former president and prime ministers in the field of agriculture, milk production, nuclear education, army, and science and technology. Today, India marks the impression of being strong and self-reliant and is seen to be the emerging strongest democracy in the front of the whole world. The only demand is the support of each and every citizen of India in making India self-reliant. The answer of every house the Josh should be high enough, and all our efforts should be focused on maintaining these beautiful smiles. These beautiful smiles and brilliant minds of tomorrow lays the foundation of a strong nation in future. The youth of any country shapes its future economy. Rightly said? Self-reliant India needs to have more startups and entrepreneurs who are willing to serve the nation. The present demands for generating and producing jobs. The one way of doing this is more startups. But still many who think of a startup withheld with the idea due to several reasons like family pressure, financial crisis, and many more. While addressing the above situation, let's remember our Prime Minister's valuable words, which states,
माना कि अंधेरा घना है, पर दिया जलाना कहाँ मना है। Our future has several opportunities, but it also demands for creating some. And that's the first step towards the self-reliant India.